Welcome to Leo 3D Jewelry. Today, I'll share the 3D design and render of the pattern earrings. First, draw curves based on their shape. Drawing a heart using vertical mirror curve. Adjust it. Use JFR box edit to resize. I would like it to be 12 mm. Use polygon mirror curve. The quantity is 5. Adjust the control points to make the edges a little sharper. After resizing, using box edit, move to the side. Drawing a square using the polygon mirror curve dot. The quantity is 4. Resize it and move to the left. Finally, draw a circle and resize it. Using simple curve, draw the rail curve. Creating surfaces with rail revolve preview. Surfaces are created on top of curves. Using the auto pattern select surface. Find pattern from library. Open QSIC preview in Sweeple for a more intuitive effect. Uses the 016 pattern. Resize the overall size of the pattern. Using X/Y zoom, you can zoom in and out in a single direction. Using X/Y move, the position can be adjusted. Rotate can rotate the pattern. The stars are woven in a three-dimensional pattern. Search for 3D to quickly find stereoscopic patterns. Open quick preview. Precise searches by number are also possible. Use the 176 pattern and adjust it high or low. Adjust the diameter of the pipe. Adjust the position and angle until the desired effect is achieved. 3D pattern of 21 used for squares. Switching display modes for easy viewing. Adjust X scale to adjust the interweaving effect. Adjust the diameter of the pipe to the effect. Draw custom shape by a vertical mirror curve. Using 006 patterns and rounded surfaces. Switch to Sweeple preview. Select Custom Shape. Adjust the size of the custom shape to adjust the thickness. Using Cycle Curve to draw cutouts of borders. Select the border curves and use the single rail preview. The sides are too thin. Open its control points. Select this row of control points using the scale 1D. Drawing rail curve with vertical mirror curve. Use single rail preview to make the bottom structure and resize it. After confirming it, make a copy of it and adjust the length. Some shapes are more complex and we need to process them. If models penetrate each other. Adjustment with taper, gumball. Drag the arrow to pull back the excess. Find the right accessory from ear stud in the library. Adjust the position. Move the model to the appropriate position. Repeat what I just did. Can use different accessories or all the same. Depends on the request and aesthetics. Layering the models. Easy to select and adjust in the Keyshot. Use Bridge tool. Send a model to Keyshot. Add ground plane and rounded cube from Edit. Resizing the rounded cube to use it as a platform. Turn on GPU mode. The model disappears using the retessellate. Using Rhino's layers, we can quickly select the corresponding model. Adjust the angle and height of the model to make sure it follows the laws of physics. They should be placed in gowned, not suspended. Drag the desired material onto the model. Use gold mat for all 4 studs. I forgot to delete the surface. We can also give surfaces other materials to add texture to them. I used gold scrub material. Can't see a significant difference because of the default environment. Moldtech materials for platforms and floors. Find a Versus_clothing store from environment. Changing the color of platforms and floors. It could be darker to allow the product to dominate the image. Next, adjust the angle of the product. Bring out the best possible look of the product. Perspective is wrong. Adjust the perspective. Put these two on the back platform for extra layers. Zoom in to show product details. Move the product closer with the product inside the frame. Adjust the image. Adjust according to the screen, not suitable for fixed values. Don't worry about making a mistake. My values are different every time. Some positions could be a little brighter. Add pins where you need them. That's better. Let the model shine through bloom. Adjusting values is needed. Adjusting the color of the platform. To create an animation, click Animation. Add a orbit animation. We can adjust the degree of rotation. This sharing is over. Thank you for watching.